Hello, so this is Rahul Prajapati. So today I'll be explaining about my backend Node.js project, which is employee review system. So we'll see what is employee review system and how the actually project is working, and we also see the coding part as well. So let's start. What is employee review system? So here, employee review system is like an application where a particular employee can review another employee if he has the authentication. I mean, if he has got the permission from the admin, like uh, like he has got the permission from the admin, and then only he can review that particular employee. I mean, second employee. So let's start. I mean, how is actually this project is actually working? Okay, so initially I have set one user as the admin of this whole system. I mean, the whole application, like that. That is me. Okay, so I have set this user as an admin of the application currently. So let's start. Okay, so initially we'll make three IDs. I mean, say three users, which we have to create by signing up. Okay, let's create. Okay, like first one is like Mia, Mia at the rate gmail.com. Let's say password is something one. We'll go for the simple one. Okay. Okay, so this has been just signed. Okay, let's make another user also, like something like Sunny. Okay, like Sunny at the rate gmail.com. Password is one. We'll make one more. Okay, let's say Thompson, and the email should be Thompson at the rate gmail.com, and password is also, let's keep the simple one. Okay, so now we have actually four IDs into my database, like we can see over here, like four IDs over here into the database. But the admin is only me. I mean, like I have created myself as as the admin of this application. So let's start with the first portion. Like I can also just sign in with the Google account. I mean, yeah, I have just make one functionality with the Google authentication as well. So let's start with the signing in portion. Like I have signed as like me as an admin. So this is the portion where I can just see. This is the interface where if I just log in as an admin. So let's assign a work. Like if I just want to assign, let's say Mia. So this Mia should be reviewed by, I mean, let's say Sunny. So and this Mia also should just be reviewed by this Thompson. Okay, so let's do this two assigning work over here, and let's log out and just log in as in Mia, and that's then Sunny. Let's say let's just log in as first Thompson, then we'll just log in with Sunny as well. Okay, so as you can see that from the admin, I have got this authentication. I mean this permission to just review Mia. Okay, so let's write something about Mia. This person is very great. Okay, so this has been submitted. Okay, now let's log out and just log in as the Sunny also, like Sunny at the gmail.com, and like password you have to enter over here. So we have to actually there's two work has been assigned from the admin, like from the Sunny also and from Thompson also. So as from with the second ID, Sunny have to just also review me. Okay, let's write something blah about about Mia. Okay, so this all two work has been done. Now let's log in like with the admin ID. Let's say here I have login from this. Login. Sorry, I have to just log in as Mia ID, because then only Mia can see how many of the rest of the fellow employees have reviewed this person. Okay, so here you can see that Mia login as Mia, and this Thompson has reviewed Mia, and this Sunny has reviewed Mia about this content. Like this content is also appearing, like what the review has been given to this person. Okay, so this is all about I mean this working, and also some of the working more I just want to show, like If I just log in with the admin portion, I mean as an admin, like I have also the I mean this portion over here, like employees, like how many employees are there currently into my database. From here only I can just see that how many persons are there into my database, and who is the currently admin of the application, me myself with the particular this time I'm the admin of the of this application. Like here as you can see, it is set as true. And also I can just delete any particular employee from here into my database, from from database. Like if I just want to delete this Thompson from a database, I can do that also. And also I can just register new employees into my database by this sign up portion also, as I have already shown you. Okay, so this was all about my just backend Node.js project, and let's see the coding part also. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, this is like the coding part. Here I have this folder assets, then config, then controller, then models, and then routes, and then views, and then there is an index main index file. Okay, so let's start with the assets. Okay, so in the assets portion, I have done the styling portion, like CSS portion, the CSS styling from this. This CSS styling portion to all the elements in the. All the elements which is there into my this all application. And let's start and also just see the let's see the config folder. So here with the config folder, I have made the configuration in the middleware. Like I've set the middleware, this how all the things are working. And then there is a configuration of mongoose. So this configuration of mongoose generally is for like how to set up that database. Like I have used the mongodb database, so I have just set it this portion like mongoose database over here. And there is google auth passport google auth strategy into this. By this file I can just like make that how that I can also just log in as an with my Google ID. Okay, so this functionality has been also given there. Then there is passport local strategy. In this portion, this in this file, we can just do the authentication, like which user is getting signed in, signed out, something like that. Okay. Let's see now the controllers. So main controlling part. Main how this all the project is working. Like which commands are getting initiated after just clicking over any part of any links. Like so this portion has been done in the controller part. Okay, and then there we have models folder. Into the models folder we have created the schema of the reviews and the users, that how all the things are getting stored into the database. Now then there is a routes. So routes, this routes is just like just moving towards any particular command, like which command is getting initiated from the URL, so that will only just execute it. And then we have this views folder. So views is just like front end part, like how this application is actually looking initially, like home part layout. The user is getting signed in, or the user is getting signed up, like something like that. Okay, we have then footer part also, then header part also, like what the content is getting showed in the header portion, what is getting shown in the footer portion. Okay, so that was it from the project. Okay, thank you.